It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, outside, outside.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. For today I'm super excited because we had a similar video to this last year. We're testing out a new tree, and it's not just any tree, it's a symphony tree. And Andre's gonna help me with the heavy lifting, but I'm pretty sure it's like a one and done, super quick tree to put up. Listen, the big one upstairs is a whole task in itself. Carl's here. Carl, are you excited about our new tree? Daddy's super excited. Okay, so we're gonna put it together.
Yes.
And I need assistance, and we're gonna give you guys the full update, but I feel like it's gonna be epic. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching.
I think this is the bottom, right?
Yeah, and then there's a remote.
Whoa, what is this?
Listen.
Oh no, that's not the bottom. That's not the bottom. This is the bottom. This is definitely the bottom. What is this massive
Okay, so
contraption?
wait, do you have the remote?
I have it. It's in my hand.
Okay,
That's
so
it.
yeah.
Okay.
Listen, I work out.
Oh.
Okay. So this thing at the bottom, I'm pretty sure is a speaker. You ain't ready.
Oh, that's pretty easy.
Have you? Yeah, no, it's super simple.
Okay. What do you need me for then?
Well, you're like manpower.
Okay.
What's that? Johnny Bravo? Doesn't he say like firepower? Okay, we'll turn it on at the end.
Johnny Bravo, you're showing your age.
No,
oh my
don't.
god, what the heck?
No, it's secrets. Okay,
That was pretty good though.
should we move that tree out of the way?
Yeah, here, hold this please.
Manpower.
Mm-hmm. Is this good?
Yeah, and this
Okay.
little guy can just go here for now for
Alright.
ambiance.
I'm guessing this is the
And
second
it's
one.
snowing outside.
This is the second one here?
Okay,
Does that just go right in
but
there?
look at how like I don't even have to fluff it
Hold
up.
on, does that just go right in there?
Yeah, but look, wait.
I guess we get into that.
Yeah, you don't have to do like you know how on the other tree you have to
Yeah.
like,
Oh,
and then I
that's
think
pretty
you wait no wait.
Wait,
You
what?
see, there's arrows to arrows.
easy. Arrows, get arrows.
Oh, lift it up a bit. See where see where the bump is? Okay. See the arrow?
Mm-hmm.
There's an arrow here.
Got it.
So he needs to be,
Like that.
and then this bump goes over this screw.
Okay. You
And
need
then
your
he
finger
goes
so I don't
down.
smash it there? Okay, good.
See? And then
Okay, good.
done.
Okay.
And then he plugged into him, and there's
That's
a
it.
continuity.
Oh,
happening.
this is lights. So it's already pre.
See, there's like arrow to arrow, and then it's already fluffy, and then you just let it fall. Like, can I just say this process took me 20 years with the other tree upstairs.
I'm still
Sick.
trying to just like
And look-
decipher why you needed me here. This
Look at
was
the
very
quality
easy.
of the lights.
Yes.
That's some quality stuff, right?
Thought you were
No,
gonna
I
say the
love
other
it.
S word.
I love it. I love it. No, we don't swear. I think this. Okay. So there's a foot thing.
Those are nice lights.
Okay, but listen, you didn't even see the half of it yet.
Okay. So, did last year's do that? No.
No.
This is cool.
So it's called a symphony tree. Carl, do you like it?
I feel like it's one of those houses that you go through the neighborhood and you got the light show going at the same time as the music.
It reminds me of
But
that
it's a
movie
tree.
Deck the Halls with Danny
It's gonna
DeVito.
play on a loop till
Till 4 a.m. Okay, so look. So on the remote, you can change the.
It is like that movie. Wow, this is cool. Oh, this is nice and calm.
It's like a crackling fire.
Yeah, it's nice and calm. Oh, it's not anymore. This feels like you're in Disney though.
Right?
Yeah.
I feel like the kids will like it.
Yeah.
So, and you can totally control the volume. Do you think it's good for the cottage?
Yeah.
So I'm thinking that we pack it back up, put it in the truck, and decorate the cottage with that for the kids.
Cool.
Do you like it? Look at
Yeah.
all the songs. I feel like you're vibing out. Hollywood Studios. Okay, so let's turn this down. I'll give all the details of everything. Okay, you're good. You can go have lunch. All right, so let's sit down and talk about this. I'm going to turn the volume all the way down on it. Isn't it so pretty? I love it. Carl, do you like it? You seem pensive. So I think what we're gonna do is pack it up, bring it to the cottage. So it's a 7.5-foot tree. It's called a symphony tree. And it has, I think it's like 7+ songs. I'll leave all the details down below. I will link it down below. It's available at Walmart, Lowe's, and places like that. I think Home Depot, actually. I will link it for you. And it's spectacular. I love the LED lights. I think there's over 500 LED lights on it. Again, I'll leave all the stats down below. And I feel like for little kids, they're gonna love it. So we have a little niece and nephew, and this I feel like will be very special for Christmas Eve for them. So we're gonna set it all up at the cottage for the family and decorate, which I will also take you guys through. And I feel like this will be so perfect. I love it. So I've just ordered a tree skirt for this, and the theme that I'm gonna go for at the cottage, what I was gonna do was use the tree that we had, but it's pales in comparison to this. And also I feel like the size and the height of this one is just more impressive. So I ordered a tree skirt from Michael's, and it's all plaid and like very cottagey, which I think is perfect. And then I got a bunch of ornaments, which I'm gonna show you guys whenever that comes in a future video. We'll do like a huge decor haul. And I'm just excited to take you guys through another tree decorating process without having to store the tree in our house. So it's cool, we get to decorate together again. And if you liked this tree, please let me know. Also, I'm gonna figure out the settings, but I feel like just letting it kind of go without the music is fascinating. And I think it's really pretty. The LED lights are such quality, like, and it's all pre-lit. Like, hopefully you guys can see how you don't even have to decorate, you could just leave it, but hopefully you can see how easy it is to put together. And listen, if a husband is not frustrated, then you know that it's really good, because Andre literally just bloop, 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 2 seconds, put that all together, and it's already all fluffed up. Like, I guess I could fluff it a little bit, but listen, that was simple, that was easy. And I feel like it's pretty dang fabulous. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you guys are looking forward to seeing the decorate with me, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts on what you think I should decorate this as, leave it as is, theme, all of that stuff. I have some ideas, but we're gonna run with this and bring this one to the cottage, so I'm excited about that. Make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, dudes.
It's cold outside.